Number 9's kind of similar to number 8 in that they're just asking you to do the math. It starts off with 23 randomly selected students are asked the number of movies they watched the previous week, and the results are as follows. This column right here, these are the number of movies, and then the frequency is here. So there were 5 people who watched no movies. 8 people only watched 1 movie. 6 people only watched 2. 4 only watched 3. And there were nobody that watched 4. And then it's multiple choice, but I'm going to go ahead and just draw the histogram. Let's see, we go from a frequency. My highest frequency is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8, there's 6, there's 4, there's 2, there's 0. So along the bottom, I'm going to have my number of movies. All right, so along the side, that's my frequency. Along the bottom is the number of movies. And you've got 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So color coding this, for this first one, there were 5 people who watched no movies. So I would need my first bar to go up to 5. Then on the next one, there were 8 people that watched 1. So that bar is going to have to go up to 8. Then on the next one, there were 6 people that watched 2, so up to 6. And then 4 people watched 3, so up to 4. And last, there was nobody that watched 4, so there wouldn't even be a bar, but I guess I could just highlight it with a line. A line. So I'm going to go back to Mobius. Here's Mobius, and select the correct choice. 58642. 58642. Wait. 58640. Sorry. 58640. Okay, it's not the first one because this first bar is 0. It's not the second one because the first bar is 0. The third one's at 5. This one's at 5. This one's at 0. So it's either the third or the fourth one, and the next one has to be 8. And this one's 6, and this one's 8. So it's this one. I can't draw on this. It won't let me unless I do a screenshot of it, but it would be that one. All right. And then part 2 just says complete the frequency. So, or the table. It's 5 and 8 and 6 and 4. That adds up to 10, 23. Did they tell me that in the beginning? Yeah, 23. Hello, 23. So this would be 5 out of 23. I like to go do all these first. This would be 8 out of 23. 6 out of 23. 4 out of 23. And 0 out of 23 is just 0. So this would start with 5 out of 23, but then you're going to accumulate. So I'm going to add 5 23rds with the 8 23rds. That's 13 23rds. Add another 6 to that. That's 19 23rds. Add another 4. That's 23 23rds. And then add 0 to it, and it's 23 23rds. And go up to here with the how to do. Oh, it's green. I got that right. All green. Woohoo! And of course the feedback shows you the answer. So hot diggity. And they showed reduced fractions. Are these reduced? Well, just the 1 is the only reduced one. And they wrote 0 to 23. Anyway, that's that.